Right, Nina. Do you have everything set out in front of you? Banana, berries, spinach, Greek yogurt, and some almond milk? Great. So, let's start with the banana. Just peel it, break it into chunks, and pop it into the blender. Bananas add that creamy texture and are packed with energy. Perfect. Now add a handful of berries. I'm using strawberries and blueberries, but any mixed berries are fine. They're full of antioxidants, and they'll give us that natural sweetness without extra sugar. Yes, frozen berries work too. They even make the smoothie colder, which is nice. All right, next is the spinach. Just a handful will do. You won't even taste it, but it'll add so many nutrients. Trust me, it'll still taste fruity. Now for the yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt because it's thicker and has more protein, but any plain yogurt works well. Go ahead and add about half a cup. Oh, good question. The yogurt will help make it creamy and smooth. And it's a great way to get a bit of extra energy. Last, we'll pour in the almond milk. You can use any milk you like, but almond milk has a nice mild flavor that blends well with the fruit. Pour about a cup in there. Right, lid on, and let's whip it up. I usually start with a lower speed and then increase it so everything blends well. Ready? There we go. It should be smooth and creamy. Let's pour it into a glass. Looks nice and thick, doesn't it? Drink up. Hope it tastes as good as mine does. Yes, it's such a great pick-me-up, perfect for a morning or afternoon boost. All right, Nina, I'll let you enjoy it. Call me again if you try any new combinations. Bye for now.
Who were you chatting with for so long?
Oh, that was Nina. You remember her? We met at that wellness retreat last year. We've been catching up from time to time, just helping her make a smoothie today.
Oh, well,